Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting the system. Create a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Find Windows Update, view a serve, right-click and stop the service immediately. Then set Startup Type to Disabled so it won't restart after reboot. Doing this halts updates now. Make sure to keep the machine offline during edits to avoid auto-restarts while you apply the next configuration steps. Now you lock down the update behavior using group policy. Open gpedit, MSC and navigate to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Windows Update. Open Configure Automatic Updates and set it to Disabled. Click Apply and OK. After that, open an elevated command prompt and run gpupdate/force to enforce the new policy immediately. This prevents automatic download and install cycles. Make sure to finish by confirming your changes survive a reboot. Open Services, MSC, and ensure Windows Update is disabled, then restart and check again. If Windows silently re-enables updates, immediately run System Restore to your saved point or reverse the group policy changes and reapply the service stop. As an optional extra layer, block common Windows Update endpoints in Windows Firewall to prevent downloads. However, use that only if you understand network implications. If anything goes wrong, restore the system point and retry each step carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.